Hey everyone, happy new day. It's so beautiful outside today. This is my garden. It's April the 3rd and I'm out here about to get some harvest. These are things that was planted last year. So we have the leftover collard greens, some sage coming back, some oregano coming back. In this bed, it is some garlic and some onions, some red and some white. Some of them are too close together, I know. Over here, I'm gonna have to pull this because I thought it was doing great, but then it started flowering. So these are Brussels sprouts, which grew so big over the last 2 months. This one is done. It ain't doing nothing. So I'm gonna pull those out, but I am gonna harvest some of this Russian Red Kale. It came out so nice. So I don't have any greens for my lunch, and I am about to have some of these. And they got little baby sprouts down there already coming in. Like, this is gonna be nice. Look at that. New growth already coming in. Don't. I hope I'm not messing this plant up too bad. Because it would not grow in October and November. It just stunted. And then once the winter came, it was like, it did nothing. It just stayed the way it was. There's little flowers on them. Here's for me doing that. Little gnats. It was raining here today. Well, yesterday. It's been a lot of